Happy New Year. What can we anticipate the real estate market is going to look like in 2026? Who knows? You know, I've been listening to a ton of podcasts over the last couple of weeks and into December, and went to this really interesting economic summit that the DMAR Association of Realtors put onto last week, and listened to 3 experts there give their predictions what they think the market's going to do. Everybody thinks, for the most part, that the market's going to be pretty flat. And some think there's going to be a higher number of closed transactions, but not necessarily a big price increase. And I would agree with that. I do think with interest rates coming down a little bit that it's going to open the buyer pool for more buyers, and that is going to create more transactions. And so the first couple of weeks has actually been quite interesting. I was showing some homes about 3 weeks ago, and a beautiful home hit in Highlands Ranch. A very desirable neighborhood, a very desirable floor plan of a house. And my clients were like, we don't want to lose this house. I was like, great, well, let's get this house under contract before the open house. And I'm so glad we did, because the open house was crazy busy. So we're very fortunate to get that property under contract before the open house. And we're just seeing a lot of activity right now. And the same things that I'm seeing right now that are very similar to last year. The best property is going under contract the very first weekend. So if you make their property look the best and price accordingly, you will typically go into contract the first weekend. So buyers have great opportunities right now with these interest rates going down. There are so many lender incentives right now with lender programs out there. So if you've got questions on what programs are out there, please reach out to me. And also, sellers are much more open to giving large seller credits if their house has been sitting on the market for a little bit. So I think 2026 is going to be a great year. If you've got more questions about the real estate market and see how this can impact you, please give me a call. I'd love to sit down and help you out. Have a great day.